Everyone, we're going to open some cards. Yes. Yeah. So I'm just gonna show you because we've got a lot of cards to open. This is Christmas. These are Christmas cards. Go. So let's open all of these cards. Oh, Elijah's excited to open it now. And these are all cards from Gary's family and also friends and that. Sa UK, uso yung mga cards. Yung mga Christmas cards, ganon. Hindi gaya sa atin. Pagpunta ka sa supermarket, ang daming selection ng mga cards. Yung parang for husband, for boyfriend, for wife, ganon na. For daughter-in-law, for brother-in-law. Excited to open! Yeah! Hello, everybody! Oops, sorry for my big belly. Yeah, right. Alright, you wanna stand? Oh, jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. So, this first card is to Gary and Valerie. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Let's open. Let's open, Elijah. And then after this, we're gonna display it on the window. I mean by the window. Right there. We're gonna display it there. Yeah, so let's read, Elijah. Wow. To a special grandson and wife. So, you see, ganito yung sinasabi ko. Ang dami nilang iba't ibang card na dito na personalized na siya. See? To a special grandson and wife, Merry Christmas. Sending season's greetings now. Christmas time is here along with the warmest wishes for this wonderful time of the year. May you hold joy and happiness with special memories too. And hope the year that lies ahead brings all the best to you. Let's see. Wow, that's the inside. To Gary and Valerie, the many special wishes that are made all year for you are filled with lots of love. Now Christmas time is due, and then an extra wish is made for everything that's best. To hope this wonderful season will be your happiest. Merry Christmas. Lots of love to you both, Granny and Papa. Granny and Papa, thank you so much. So this is these are the Papa and Granny of Gary on dad's side. So, mom and dad of Gary's dad. Yeah. Thank you. Next, which one will open? Another one to Gary and Valerie. Let's open this one. Wow! Says to all of you at Christmas, sending the happiest wishes. To you all for a lovely Christmas together. To Gary, Valerie, and Elijah, have a wonderful time. Hope you have a nice Christmas and New Year. Love. Oh, Granny. From Granny. From Granny. So, ayan na siya to all of you. From Granny, that means, sa lola ni Gary. Which is your great granny. Kasi sad to say, namatay na kasi yung lolo ni Gary sa mother side. So, ito yung mama ng mama ni Gary. Thank you so much. Next, Elijah. Oops, sliver. Sliver. Slivery. Next. Which one will open next? Come on. Get it. Get it. Get it. Come on. You can do that. Oh, this one? Okay, good boy. All right, let's open this one first. Let's see, who is it from? Diba sabi kasi nila kailangan punitin mo na para ano. Right, let's open this. All right. Just for you, son and daughter-in-law. Wow, this must be from, of course, Gary's mom and dad. So, from my in-laws. Look, they're nice. Having lovely family. Wow. Having lovely family like both of you makes this magical time of year even more special. Thanks for being so wonderful. Happy Christmas. Lots of love from Mom and Dad. Yes, this is from Granny and Grandpa Elijah. Thank you, Granny and Grandpa. Say thank you. Say thank you. Thank you. Very serious. Oh, yeah. Which one? Go grab some more. More. Which one? Oh, the white one? Okay. Right. I think this is for Elijah. Yeah. It's a baby boy. This actually supposed to be for Elijah when he was just born. Pero dahil late na kami punta dito, ito yung kaibigan ng katrabaho ng lolo ni Elijah. Oh, don't eat that! That's dirty! I think he's eating. Kaya lahat ng makita niya, kinakain niya. Congratulations on your new arrival to Gary and Valerie. Love. So this is from Michelle. Friend siya ng lola ni Elijah. Yes! Thank you! And then may kasamang mga gift din to, mga damit ni Elijah. Ang dami, saka baby books. So nakakatuwa. Ang dami nilang regalo kay Elijah. Right! Let's open this one, yeah? Elijah. It says Elijah. Kiss, kiss, kiss. This is to Elijah. This is for you, Elijah. Let's open. Wow! To a very special great grandson with love at Christmas, wishing you a magical Christmas. Tada! Ganda, oh. Diba? This is the inside one. Says, wishing a fantastic great grandson at Christmas that's filled with lots of happiness. Merry Christmas to Elijah, lots of love, great granny and great papa. So, galing to sa lolo and lola ni Gary from dad's side. So, from great granny and great papa, say thank you. Thank you. Next, Elijah, last two cards to open. And we're gonna put it by the window. Yeah. Sorry, I didn't show you. To Valerie and Gary. Sorry. I was excited to open. Right. 1, 2, 3, that. Special delivery, baby boy. Oh, that's nice. Let's see. To Valerie, Gary, congratulations on the birth of your new son. May his tiny feet leave big imprints on your hearts. Love from Keith and Marilyn. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Yeah, so this is thank you, Keith and Marilyn. Thank you so much. It's nice. Is it Elijah? That's you, baby boy. Oh, slippery face. Slippery face. Next. Last one to open. Let's see. Last card to open. Elijah. This is for Elijah. Ta-da! To a special grandson, have a very happy Christmas. To our wee Elijah, on your first Christmas, hope this Christmas is as wonderful as you are. Happy Christmas to a special grandson. Lots of love and hugs from Grandpa and Granny. Yay! From Grandpa and Granny, Elijah. Say thank you, Grandpa, Granny. Say thank you. Slippery. Say thank you, Grandpa and Granny. Thank you. Yes. Yes, nice. So that's it. We're going to display. I'll show you later. Yeah. We just want to show you guys. That's it. That's how we do it. So you just display it there. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, so that's it, guys. We already opened all our cards finally. Say tata. See you again on our next vlog. Bye-bye!